Just more humidity and a little bit more cloud cover and a few sprinkles in the early morning hours. Very similar to today where we saw some morning clouds and a few areas of light activity and light rain, but otherwise nothing too measurable out there. Speaking of, you can see the precip in the rain gauge at the airport, 0.02. Not a lot, a little less than 1/10 of an inch. So really just near average for this time of year. 86 was the high and 83 is the average high this time of year. And notice the 1940 record about 10 degrees below that. So it gives you an idea of how hot it can get this time of year. Take a look at some of the other rain totals in the area from San Marcos to San Antonio. Nothing impressive and more widespread totals out west, but around the metro, less than 1/10 of an inch. From Bernie to Helotes to Von Army towards the southeast, not a whole lot of rain earlier today. Now, here's the radar as it stands, and you can see a few areas of active weather near, let's say, I-10, and now of which off of Highway 277, an isolated thunderstorm that's getting going with the help of a front out to the north, some instability, but with the help of the loss of daytime heating, these storms are not going to last very long. So expect some, isolated activity, mostly west of Rock Springs, just northwest of Camp Wood, but even at that, this storm, it is not too impressive on radar at this hour. 78 degrees, feels like 80 because it's so humid outside. Winds have calmed down at about 2 to 5 miles an hour at best. And here's that frontal boundary out to the north. This is the reason why some of these storms are lighting up earlier today and right now, but not widespread. And for right now, the next hour or so, any storms that do get going, that generate, may produce some very small hail. Matter of fact, in Kerrville earlier today around 7 and 8, some reports of very small hail out in Kerrville and Kirk County. Nothing in San Antonio. As we go into Sunday, the Storm Prediction Center says most of the heavier downpours will be out west near Val Verde County and near Del Rio. So let's walk you through future radar. Tomorrow morning at 7:30, around sunrise or so, overcast skies, gray conditions and some light rain here and there. Very sparse, scattered in nature, not widespread. By tomorrow afternoon, mix of sun and clouds, highs in the 80s. Overall, pretty nice conditions. And then as we head into Sunday night, here come a few storms, but mostly out west. If you're watching from Del Rio, Eagle Pass, anywhere in Val Verde County, most of the storms will be out there tomorrow night late. All right, here's your Sunday forecast. 80 at noon, 87 or so at about 4 and 5 o'clock. There's that 20% chance at some morning drizzle, overcast skies, mist, some patchy fog in there as well. Otherwise, a humid day. And speaking of humidity, very tropical air in place right now. Dew points are right near 70, which is why, not much is going to change in the extended forecast. You can see as we put this into motion, these little dips in the upper level flow moving from west to east, which will provide more humidity and a chance at rain. And over the next 7 days, this is what you can expect, between about 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain again through next Thursday. Not all at once, but over about 4 to 5 days. Some good much needed rainfall in the forecast. And speaking of, here's the 7-day daily rain chances. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, highs in the 80s, high humidity, morning lows in the 70s. Better chance at rain late Sunday night, Monday morning, and late Wednesday night, early Thursday, 87 on Thursday, and about 90 on Friday.